Delete Instagram account in no time. How to delete Instagram account? I'm Gogi from How to Doer, and today we're gonna let you know in less than 1 minute that how to delete a Instagram account. First of all, requesting you like, subscribe and hit bell icon for get more videos. Let's begin the video and learn how to delete Instagram account. First of all, for delete Instagram account, just open Instagram. After that, you have to click on this option and one second. After clicking on this option, your profile, you will see options like this. From there you have to choose this three lines, click on that, and after that click on account center. After clicking on account center, go to the personal details option, and from there you have to click this option account ownership and control. Over there it's given deactivate or delete your account. After that click on this deactivate or delete your account. Now you have to choose the account which you want to delete. Now you can check it out. If you want to just deactivate, just tick that and click on continue. And if you want to delete your account, that will be permanently deleted everything from your account. Keep in mind you have to tick this one. After ticking this one, click on continue. When you click on continue, it will ask you that your account will be deleted. Click on continue and you will show on how much followers you have, how much post you have. So hope you understood that how you can delete Instagram account. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share with your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe and hit bell icon for get more videos like this. And if you want to do this on computer, that's the same process. What you can do, just go to the Instagram account and over there just click on this option settings, and from there you will see options like this one. This is the account center, and go to the personal details, and all the things will be same. Like, share, subscribe and hit bell icon for get more videos like this.